How to export with a transparent background in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by coming up to Document, next come down to Setup and then select Transparent Background. This will enable the transparency grid on your image. Next come up to the top right where you may see Export JPEG or Export PNG and click on this little arrow next to the button. Next select PNG and then choose Advanced. This will open up this window here. Here you can fully customize which kind of PNG you want to export. You may need to configure this for your own use, and you also have a bunch of different settings that you can configure. However, the default settings should be fine. Next, come down to the bottom and choose Ask for Location and check Show in Finder. This is going to open up Finder so you can choose where the photo is going to save to and then choose Export. This will open up your Finder window, and now when you come to open this on your computer, you will have an image that you've downloaded with a transparent background. So just to show you, this is my before, which had the background. I've removed the background and saved it as a transparent PNG, and that's all there is to it.